Hello everyone, I'm b2w and this is the new video about unboxing MJ Bugs 2. I have two colors in red and black. This is the red one. I have 10 minutes. Have a GPS about 1 kilometer, brushless motor, independent ESC, two-way 2.4 GHz, and OK return. This is the distance of Wi-Fi, 5G Wi-Fi, HD quality for camera. Let's open it, see what I have here. The controller. The drone. This is the charger for batteries. And this is a screwdriver. What I have here, this is a holder for your smartphone, and here I have a manual and some stickers of bugs. In the air, the battery is keep flying about 20 minutes in air. This is the battery. Right. Let's open the controller sheet. Okay, this is the controller with screen. This LCD screen. Very nice. here is the cable and the battery for charging. To insert it in the drone and close correctly, this is going to be here, the charger for charging. When not use it, have some hole. Is the best drone in this is that price in this category. Okay, insert it here and you can insert battery in drone and close correctly. But need to locked battery. And it's okay, it's ready to fly. Then the controller have one screw. Unscrew this and insert 4 batteries, alkaline batteries. And you are ready with this. Put it on and it's ready to fly. Okay, now let's insert in the controller the smartphone to see the camera of drone. This is the holder and RTFPD. Right. Okay. It's going to be here, I think. This is for just if you have big phone, right? Then you need to put in here and the other. Oh, okay. All right. So, and it's locked down. Have clip to unlock it here. Okay, and it's safe. And just here, phone, and you can take here your phone, and it's ready to fly your drone. The analog stick, it's very nice, very nice. It's smoothly. Okay, this is the charger. Here charge the battery. With this micro USB, and you can insert any cable on your phone, on your smartphone, with cable with micro USB. Here, and you're ready to go. here you insert the battery, and here other type of battery for the same drone of MJ Bucks. That's all. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Who can fly this drone and how you can fly nicely. LCD screen, have GPS, lock position, one-time takeoff, positioning when you call to come when you take off, and you can take photos. Oh, I forgot to show you a manual and the stickers, my friends. This is the stickers of Bucks. Some information here for Wi-Fi photography. Quick start manual. For controller and calibration for drone. Circle around, horizontal and vertical. From aircraft, unlock your aircraft and take it off. Okay. Then the other manual. This is for charge battery. It's blinking when it's full charge. I think it stopped blinking the green lights. Some information for charging. Propeller charging tool. This is the propeller. Or to unclip propeller, to change it. It's broken. If it gets dirty, okay. And here some information with code for Android enable for go up, Bucks go up, and you can see the camera here with a 3D VR. You have headphones. This is the accessory for Bucks. Thank you for watching.